Hello, hello. Today we're gonna do SSS, SAS, ASA, and AAS. What the heck does that even mean? Well, we're gonna prove triangles congruent in this section. And previously, we had to find AB congruent to DE one side, congruent to another side, another angle, another angle. Whew, I'm out of breath saying that. That's 6 total things in 2 triangles that we had to show were congruent to then show that the 2 triangles are congruent. Do you need all 6? No, you don't. Sorry, class. Sorry for making you do all that work in section 1, but you're going to learn something new in this section. Here we have the side theorem, and we just need 3 sides of one triangle. This triangle in purple, we have AB congruent to DE, and then BC to EF, and AC to DF. So we have 3 sides congruent in 2 different triangles. And now we can assume that our 2 triangles are congruent. We don't even need to assume that. We know it's true by the SSS theorem. Then we have side angle side. This we need a side, an angle, specifically an included angle, which we'll talk about what that means, and then a side right here. With another triangle's side, angle, side. And if we have that in 2 triangles, only 3 things, just like side in the previous one, only 3 things, now we know that the 2 triangles are congruent. And I mentioned about the included angle. That's the angle between 2 sides. Anytime it's like SAS, it has to be the included angle. So you'll see that angle G is included between the 2 sides. It couldn't be angle H, couldn't be angle J, because that's not in between the 2 sides. And here's your other examples, angle I and angle H. And we'll skip through this. You could pause it if you'd like to kind of look through that. Next one, we have angle side angle, ASA. That states if we have an angle, a side, and then an angle, and again the side has to be the included side, with an angle side angle, all of which are congruent to one another, then you have 2 congruent triangles. Boom, just like that. And next we have the side between the 2 angles is the included side. We'll just quickly go through that. That's GI in this picture. Your 2 angles here. You could guess it's going to be right in here. And you could guess it'll be right in here. And again, you could pause this part if you'd like to practice more. Next we have angle side. So this one's a little bit different. Here we have angle A congruent to D, then angle B and E. And notice that it goes angle, side. So the side is not the included one. It's not in between. It'd have to be ASA for it to be that. So this one, the side is on the outside. We have BC congruent with EF. And you can use this side with this side if that was congruent. Then you would know that the triangles are congruent by AAS, the non-included side. There's 2 non-included sides in this picture. And next we have 2 more combinations we haven't gone through. SSA. This one is no good though, so make a note of that. SSA. And do me a favor. Read this backwards. But don't say it out loud. Don't say it out loud, please. That's bad. That's the donkey one. You see a donkey picture right here. Anytime you have this SSA, side, and then the non-included angle, that is not good because that cannot prove triangles congruent. So anytime you have that, it cannot prove triangles congruent. Next one we have AAA. This one is not good either. If you have 3 angles of one triangle congruent to 3 angles of another, you cannot prove the triangles congruent. I am very sorry. I'm devastated too, but you cannot prove them congruent. Sorry. So here's your list of correspondence between triangles, these sides and angles. And again, you see these two are the bad ones. Very bad. Terrible. Here's some practice you could kind of look through if you'd like to pause the video. Again, AAA up there is not good, and SSA. And now this gets pretty interesting here. We have these triangles. Well, we found reflexive property, so now we can add that this side is congruent with this side, the shared side in both of them. So now we have what? S side, angle, the included angle, and side with this side, angle, side. There you go. Here we have, looks like vertical angles there, so can't we say that? And now we have what? Side, angle, side. Here we have vertical angles again, I believe. Yep, side, angle, side. And lastly, we have side, angle. Here's another side, but I can't say SAS because it's not, the angle's not the included angle, so I could, let's see, reflexive property, how about SSA? SSA. Oh, that sounds pretty bad backwards. I believe that's not a good one. So we will X that out. Alright, thank you for listening. That's all you know, all you need to know about side, side, sides, angle, side, angle, side, angle, side, and AAS, angle, angle, side. Thanks for listening, guys.